So welcome back for the final reveal of our kitchen and laundry that we renovated with Kitchen Shack. We are very excited to show you where it's at. So here we are. You might remember that this was a wall and a tiny little door here, but what we wanted to do was bring in all this amazing natural light, and boy, did it work. The other thing that we were able to do, because we took not only that wall out, but also because we moved this door of the hallway across, is we were able to get this huge run of cabinetry. We have so much more because of it. Lovely big pantry. So great. 2 ovens, which is something we really like when we gather, and also means that you can be cooking the meal and the desserts or anything like that. Double appliance cabinet. Now this is something we only were able to get because we moved that door. So we can now have 2 big appliance cabinets, and that's been so helpful because we have a lot of appliances. Well, I have a lot of appliances. So really happy with that. And as you can see, it's just also easy to access. When you come around to here, it is the cabinetry that I am in love with. The combination of the urban oak, the Excel urban oak, is beautiful. It is such a lovely texture, gorgeous color. The ultra cabinetry, we really wanted this nice minimalist, sleek finish, no handles. It looks gorgeous, and also more importantly, it's functional. So access is really easy. The drawers have been so helpful. If you have the budget, go with drawers. We have lived with cabinets for the past 20 years, and oh my God, this is a game changer. It's so much easier. And also the bench tops. So we went with AC Stone's white canvas, and it sounds like a very simple name, white canvas, but it has such a beautiful subtle texture through it. It's really warm. It's not a really cold white, and warmth was what I wanted. Calm and warm, and it's a really beautiful kitchen to be in now. It's spacious, it's warm, and we love it. You might remember that the laundry had nothing in it really, so that has been the biggest transformation of all. Come on in. I'm so happy with it. It is one of my, it's weird to say because I'm a mother of 2 young kids and I do a lot of laundry. So as a mother of 2 young children, I'm in here a lot. But I love it. Like the pull-out bins in the kitchen, the other thing I love is that all the laundry is hidden because we have a lot of it, so we have places to hide it. The overheads are really accessible, really easy to get into. It's lovely, and they look so beautiful. The urban oak finish is just stunning. So yeah, I'm loving the combination of how everything works, and it makes doing laundry, which I do a lot of, a real pleasure. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey of renovation as a first-time renovator. And yes, it has been a big job. There has been a lot of learning and a lot of amazing things that have come out of it. But ultimately, it has changed the way we live in this house. It has changed how we function and the ease of our day-to-day life, and we are so glad we have done it. So, if you are thinking about renovating, I highly recommend you give Kitchen Shack a call and go in for a design appointment. It has been an amazing experience.